So we're taking the tram right now to the train station so we can catch a train to Estonia.
No, ferry.
A ferry to Estonia, to the capital, which is called what?
Tallinn.
Tallinn.
We're in the line now trying to get tickets to the ferry to go over to Tallinn, Estonia.
This is Mom's morning coffee, Andrew's breakfast. Got it at a Starbucks on a ferry.
Just minutes ago, there were hundreds of people lining up for this buffet. We just left Helsinki. They even have a supermarket on board. We are just now arriving at the ferry terminal in Tallinn, Estonia. And this appears to be Old Town. We are trying to walk to the old part of town. We came upon this old street.
So we just came through Fat Margaret's Tower, which leads to Pike Street, or Pike Street, however you care to say it, which is the short road that goes through the old town of Estonia's Tallinn.
We're still on Pike or Pike Street. We don't know how to pronounce it. Inside St. Olaf's Church. It used to be a Lutheran church, but it's a Baptist church today. You can tell it's a Lutheran church because it's pretty austere and plain inside.
So this building on the corner here, the greenish one, was the KGB headquarters for interrogation when they were in charge of Estonia. A few short walks further east after the small park on the left at number 26 is the extremely ornate doorway of the Brotherhood of the Blackheads. Built in 1440, this house was used as a German merchant club for nearly 500 years until Hitler invented Estonia.
This is the Guildhall, built during the Hanseatic era. Katie, what is this street again?
White bread.
White bread? And in ancient times, what was...
They sold pies, they sold cakes, they sold bread. All that was on the street. Still is. This is the town hall square, which was the focal point of the old town.
So this is the pharmacy?
Maybe I should get some ointment for my heel.
We're in Market Square in Tallinn, Estonia.
It's pretty cool.
Okay, Colette, what did you get in Estonia to eat or in Tallinn to eat
I went really original. I got a hamburger.
no cheese?
I got a flounder burger.
Some kind of a vegan burger.
Got some ribs.
And I got a vegan burger with mushrooms and a bunch of fries. Alright, I called this a church earlier. This is actually the town hall.
After we had an hour and a half lunch where we thought tax meant something else, we're finally now back on our walk. We're going to head up Dunkery Street.
This is St. Nicholas's Church.
This is St. Nicholas's Church. It was bombed during World War II, and this was in Germans' hands by the Soviets. And the church was the only thing rebuilt. All the surrounding buildings were not.
So Sean and Andrew stopped for gelato. What did you get, Sean?
Dairy-free, kiwi, and banana.
And what did you get, Andrew?
Turns out this is vanilla with some chocolate stuff in it.
So we are leaving the terrace garden and going up to the Russian Orthodox Church. And this is where Sean got yelled at for taking a photo going into the Russian church. Katie, was that embarrassing?
Oh, yeah.
Katie, was that embarrassing?
No, not really.
This is called MC Room.
이 나라의 국회의원들이 저 날에 러시아에 의해서 다 한 번에 몰살을 당한 거죠. 유명을 러시아에